Sa mga bagong vlog, yun tayo ay pauwi na from Cavite, pabalik sa Bicol. And time check na tayo, it's 7:17 yung gabi. Nakasabay na ako kila shoutout kila Jasmine, nakasabay na ako at kila Idol Bottom Summer at kaya Ate Joy Tumbali. Yun, sila yung nakasakay na sa jeep, I mean sa bus. Pero yun nga, medyo nahihilo kasi ako kaya tinatansya ko pa. Isang sakay na lang naman ako, pa Bicol, nandito na ako sa PITX or PITX. So yun, happy anniversary ulit sa Sangga Foundation. Mami Bella, maraming salamat po. Love you, Mami Bella. So yun, tinatansya ko lang kasi parang umiikot yung sigmura ako. So yun, kung hindi ko kaya ngayon, pwede naman bukas, pwede naman ako dito. Pero yun, simulan natin ito. Let's go! Buzz, biglaan kasi. Yun nga, galing kami sa anniversary ng Sangga, happy anniversary po ulit. And yun, pupunta rin pala sila dito. So nakasabay na ako. So yun yung nangyari, kaya biglaan, wala akong mga nalagay or nainom na Bonamine. So yun yung naging problema. Yun, ako na naman ulit solo. So nakapagpaalam naman ako yun, kila Kanami K at kay Daddy K at kay Tita Cora. Yan, maraming salamat po sa pagpapatuloy sa Cavite, sa inyong pong bahay. Maraming salamat. And shout out siyempre sa founder ng Sangga, kila Ninang May Santos, kila founder Michael, at sa lahat ng admin shout out na nandito din kanina. So yun, hindi ko alam kung yun, parang mo susuka. Yun, dagan na.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and it's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done.
Kasi na nga na may nakita tayong 7-Eleven dito sa PITX. At yun, nakalimutan kong lagyan ng tubig yung aking baonan, yung aking mineral bottle. At tayo ay bibili muna ng alcohol. Hindi, tayo ay bibili muna ng tubig, hindi alak. So yun, para meron tayong inumin. Para kasi pag sa biyahe na kasi is medyo mahal na or doble na yung presyo. At yung malaki na rin yung pinili ko para hindi na tayo bili. Hindi tayo mayaman, my goodness.
Smaller booster.
Tapos may nakita na rin tayo siomai dito. So bimili rin ako kaso medyo mahal nga lang. 50 pesos for 4 pieces. Dun sa amin ano lang to 10 piso, 3 piraso, di ba? Pero no choice. Natakot din kasi ako kumain. May kain na naman sana dito. Kaso ngayon natatakot ako kumain kasi baka ilabas ko lang. Pasensya sa mga kumakain. Bruh! Ayun no, first time magbiyahe, so kabado malala. Yung itsura ko hindi na mawarian. Paktay kang bata ka. Baka hindi ka na makauwi. Yun, my goodness.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
6.5 hours later.
So yan, shoutout. Alas 11 ng gabi. Unang tigil ng bus from PTX, PITX. Parang ayaw kong kumain pero lagyan ng konti. Mabilisan lang. Dito kami sa may Costa, hindi ko alam eh. May tinda yung stopover. Basta yun. Kain na tayo. Mamaya pa akong clip. Hindi ko alam kung nasa kami. Kain. Alas 11. Init. Check 351, malapit sa Tagkawayan. Konti na lang, konting tiis na lang. Port 1, malapit na crossing Pamplona. Grabe. Hindi naman nakasaka. Any good news? Crossing Pamplona, malapit na sa amin. Yan. ano, good morning. At yun, ako'y nandito na sa may crossing. Isang sakay pa papunta sa amin. And time check natin dyan ay 7:20 na ng umaga. Isang sakay papunta sa amin. Tricycle pa pala. Oo, yun. So yun, nag-drive na napakalayo ng biyahe. Pero yun, maraming salamat. Siyempre, unang sa taas, kay Lord. Safe ako nakarating. At walang anumang nangyaring aberya. So yun, maraming salamat. So siyempre napapano yung support nila, the mother at father, and sila Mami Bella. Mami Bella kasi nag-inviting talaga sa akin, diba? Yan, Ninong May Santos, Mami Kay, Daddy Kay, maraming salamat po sa inyong dalawa, Mami Kay, Daddy Kay, sa pagpapatuloy sa akin sa Cavite. So ayun, shout out kay Edwin Matepo, sila Jasmine, RG, and shout out at lahat ng kasangga admin, shout out sa inyo, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo. At yan, nandun din sila Idol Chopper, diba, ang galing. So ayun, enjoy naman yung biyahe. Ayun, kaya pauwi na, grabe, nakakapagod, ang sakit sa puwet. At yun guys, maraming salamat ulit sa mga yun, nakasama natin, nakilala, mga kapatid, o diba, sa mga Bukana vloggers din nandun. So yun, maraming salamat guys. Siguro hanggang dito na lang din yung biyahe na ito. And ako'y nagantay lang. Tapos ayun, back to normal. Okay, salamat Lord, thanks so much, bye bye.